Well, good Friday afternoon to you. Lord of mercy. Hope everybody had a wonderful work week. But you know what, Lord, I am expecting a sure enough storm coming through. Show you the skies, it's not looking good. I want to do a little video and give you an update on the seeds that I germinated for the spring crops. And I wanted to show you one of the raised beds behind my shack that I finally got done. But let's walk over here and I'll show you that right now. Finally got it filled up. So probably gonna do something in there that really doesn't require a bunch of light. Maybe some lettuce, some herbs, something like that, I don't know. These were the beds, this bed and that bed, these were the beds that I actually had the wine cap Stropharia planted in and didn't see much. Had one actually pop up over here. Here he is right here. I don't know what the deal is with him or what happened with him. Oh, there's another one right here. Maybe I have to add some more mulch in there. I don't know. You and y'all that are more versed in mushroom cultivation or growing mushrooms, please chime in on that. I am expecting, and from what I've heard from the weather updates, y'all know what I do for a living, so we get weather updates, good weather updates quite often. We are expecting anywhere from 60 to 70 mile-an-hour winds. Don't really know, I don't know how accurate that is, but it is quite possible out here in East Central Mississippi in my home in the sticks, with the possibility of some tornadoes. And you notice I keep looking up because yes, I'm looking at these clouds moving just to see how fast they're going. But come on, let me show you these seedlings right quick. What I have to do is I have to take all of my seedlings out of this little miniature greenhouse and put them in the shack because I don't want to lose them. But they are looking real good. Here are my international picklers. All the peppers are looking good, growing pretty good. Excuse my sniveling, but my sinuses caught up with me today. All of the tomatoes are looking rather good. And actually had a Roma and a jelly bean pop the ground. One of each. So I'm pretty dang excited about that. And they're growing quite well. Mr. Malcolm Connor, subscriber to my channel. Well, let me show you what I found. Top pick, pink eye, purple whole peas. I actually went to my local cooperative today. Never saw them before. Talked to a few people that I know. Uh-oh, starting to sprinkle. Talked to a few people that I know that work there, and they was like, yeah, they're pretty popular down here in East Central Mississippi. But you know what? Never seen them. And I never grew them before. So I may do a couple of rows of them just to see what they do. By all accounts, a lot of the older folk grow these purple hull peas because when it does start producing peas, they're to the top, and you don't have to stoop over and pick them and stuff like that. So Mr. Malcolm, I wanted to show you that, and heck yeah, I'm going to try them. I wanted to do a little bitty short video. Ooh, lightning cracking over there, just to show you what the seedlings were doing. I wanted to show you that raised bed that I have behind my shack because I'm going to do something with that. I'm certainly going to utilize it, and we're going to plant something in it. Again, I hope everybody has had a wonderful week. I'm sure dang excited about getting some stuff planted, but I don't think it's going to happen this weekend. The reason being is supposedly we are supposed to have a freeze on Sunday. It's supposed to drop down to the low 30s. Definitely not going to put anything in the ground this weekend. If it does clear up, however, I may just put a couple of rows of my purple hull peas in that raised bed because I don't really think that that's going to bother them much. As soon as that soil warms up, they'll start germinating, hopefully. Y'all, hey, if you like the video, y'all give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the Home in Sticks channel, Lord of mercy, y'all need to come on over, give me a look now, because I'm always doing stuff, really. And with that being said, you know what's coming. Dan's always gonna say it. Don't let nobody dull your shine. I mean nobody, especially when you have bad weather over the weekend and you want to plant some stuff. Ooh, Lord, that's hell, y'all. Good Lord, it's coming down over here. Good Lord. That's hell, y'all. And we'll see you and y'all in the next video.